If you're looking for a solution for your compliance and consent management on your website, this could be potentially a good deal. I'm going to show you how to add it to your website and show you the lifetime deal that's going on right now so you don't have to pay a month-to-month payment. So it's called Consently and it's super easy to install. Now the deal starts off at $39. You can install this on your website really easily and I'll show you that in a bit. So you can grab this for $39 and this gets you access to install on one website, but it has branding. Be aware of that. And if you don't mind that, then it's a fantastic deal. That also happens on tier 2 and you can remove branding all the way up to tier 3, which removes branding and you can install this on 10 websites. So decide which one is the right fit for you. And I'm going to show you how to add this on your website, just like the banner that you're looking at right now. I've actually modified this and it's going to look even better with the modifications that I made. So I'm going to show you how. So once you open up your Consently dashboard, you'll be greeted with this option right here to start off setting up your cookie banner. Now, once you are here, there's a button right here on the bottom that says View Embed Script. This is the code that we are going to need to add into our website. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this on a WordPress website, but this is available for any website that allows you to add coding into the header section. Okay, now first, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. I am using their hosting plan for the embed code. So let me go ahead and show you the services that they have. In this case, the managed hosting for WordPress is fantastic, especially for this consent system that you can install on your WordPress website. Now they have really affordable plans that you can grab right now that are super low price. Plus they now include AI on the business and the cloud startup plan. Let me go ahead and show you this most popular one, which is $2.99 a month. And I'm going to choose this plan because I'm going to show you how affordable this actually is. Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend the 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price, so it becomes really affordable. So you can grab a domain right now included in this plan for free for the first year. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Once you're ready to go, click on have a coupon code and add my coupon code or paste it in, and the price is going to drop even lower. So take advantage of the discount that you can grab right now on Hostinger using my coupon code. Okay, so back to my WordPress website where I'm going to add the Consently code. So what you want to do is you can either install a plugin that lets you add header and footer scripts, or you can do it straight from here without having to install another plugin. So go to Appearance, go to the Theme File Editor, and in the Theme File Editor, you're going to search for the header option. In this case, go ahead and select the main theme that you are using, because if you have several themes, those will appear right here and you won't be able to see the header option. In this case, let's scroll a bit down here and let's find the header. And it's right here, theme header. What you want to do is grab the code that you have over here on Consently. In the header option, here in the editor, you want to add the script inside of the head option. So you can see here, head and head. So you want to add the code right here. You want to save this, you want to update it or save it, and that will update the code on your website. Now this is going to give it access to connect with Consently and display this cookie consent pop-up. Now to customize this, it's super easy. Just go right here, change the configuration. You can turn off or on things that you might need on your cookie consent system. Maybe you don't want to allow the decline button, you don't want to allow preferences, go ahead and turn that off right here. But if you do, just go ahead and turn it on. Go to layout and change the style of your cookie banner, for example, into a box, which is less invasive, or the cloud, which is what I like to use. The position, you can change the colors all straight from here so it matches the branding on your website. So it's super easy. Then there's the consent option here where you can customize it. So there's a consent notice that is totally customizable right here. So this is what it says. And I can just go ahead and change it straight from here. I can change my privacy policy page, my terms and conditions. So if that is not the page that I'm using right now, I can change it straight from here. So it's just super easy to customize everything right here. Then you got your cookie manager, your consent log, your language, and your policy generator. So if you want to generate that straight from here, it is possible with this deal that you're going to grab right here. So grabbing the deal and adding it to your website is super easy and straightforward. And every change that you're going to make is going to update automatically on your website without having to re-upload the code or make changes on your website. Just go ahead and do it in Consently, and that's going to update automatically over there. So what are you waiting for? Grab this lifetime deal right now, and that is a wrap for this Consently deal.